Hi everyone, I am back, and now let's discuss the lesson 3 on chapter 1. This is all about the union intersection of sets and difference of two sets. So, the union, intersection, and difference are the operations on set, and we have the symbol for the union, no? So, the symbol is U. Next, for the intersection, the symbol is inverted U. And for the difference, of course, we have the subtraction symbol. Okay, union is defined as the set containing all elements that are in A or B. So, if we have this one, we have here sets A and B. So the union of set A and B are those elements that in this shaded part, no? So in all parts of A and B, that is the union of sets A and B. Okay. Next is the intersection. It It is the set that consists of all elements that are both in A and B. So in the intersection, only those elements that are both in A and B. So if we have this one, now the A intersection B is in this part only. No? In this part only. Kung this sila nagtagbo or if this ang common nilang duha, that is the intersection of A and B. And for the last, the difference, no? So it is defined as the set of elements in A that are not in B. So only in A that are not in B if we will have the difference of A minus B. So if A minus B, so only the shaded part here is this side, or this part only, no? So this is the intersection of, the difference of A minus B. Okay. So what if we will find the difference between B minus A? Okay. So in B minus A, since in A minus B, no, so only the shaded part is only in the elements on A. So in B minus A, if we have B minus A, the shaded part only is this part, no? The part nga naay, the part only in B, except those part in A and those both in A and B. Okay. Okay, now let us discuss thoroughly the union of sets, and I will give you some examples of this one. Okay, so union of sets A and B, written as A union B, is the set of elements that are now members of A, or members of B, or members of both A and B. Okay, so as what I've discussed earlier, no? So this is if you're going to draw a Venn diagram, it's showing the universal sets and the two sets. So the shaded part is the union of two sets. Okay, so again, the symbol of this one, or the union of A and B, can be written as this, no? Which represents the elements of both A and B. Okay, now let's have an example. Number 1. If A, or if set A has elements 1, 2, 3, and B has elements 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, then the union of A and B is, so the set A 1, 2, 3 plus the set B 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6. So if tibuo na to sila, if you're going to find the union, so the union of A and B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so since there are 1 and 1, 2 in A and B. Okay, so usaray atong isuwat nila. Kung common man si 1 and 2, then usara ang pagsuwat, no? Dili na no need to write it twice. Okay, next, if set A has elements A, B, C, D, and E, and set B with elements A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so the union of A and B here is, we have this one, A, B, C, D, E, E, I, O, and U. Okay, next number. If set A with elements Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and B with elements Saturday and Sunday, then the union of sets A and B is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Okay, so are we clear? Okay, I hope nakahibaw, no? And I hope nakasabot. And I hope na nakasabot in my discussion. Okay, next is the intersection of sets. So the intersection of two sets, A and B, written as A intersection B. Now look at the sign and the symbol of the intersection. Okay, A intersection B. Okay, it is inverted U. So, baliktad siya nga U. So, is the set of all elements common to both A and B? Okay, I already discussed this one earlier, no? So, in this Venn diagram, the intersection is the shaded part. So, only the common of A and B. So, since kana nga part ang common, that is the intersection. Okay, let's have these examples. Number 1, if A with elements 1, 2, 3 and set B with elements 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6, then A intersection B is, okay, so now, unsa na po'y common nilang duha, muna po na ang intersection. So, since common man si 1 ni A and ni B, also si 2 ni A and ni B, so there are no 3, 4, 5, and 6 in common to both A and B. Now that is their intersection. Okay, number 2. If set A with elements A, B, C, D, and E, and set B with elements A, E, I, O, U, now the intersection of A and B is, okay, so we have here A, and another common is E. Okay, as you can see, so that is their intersection. A, E. Okay, next. If set A with elements Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and set B with elements Saturday and Sunday, okay, see, then the intersection of this one is empty set. This is the symbol of empty set. It's either this one, no, or this one. Another term for empty set is the null set, N-U-L-L. Okay, so why is it empty set or null set? So as you can see, no, why kapareha nilang duha. Okay, sets A and B both have different elements. So different man, So that is why their intersection is the empty or the null set. Okay, next, the difference of two sets. So the difference of sets A and B written as, so this is now the difference of A and B, is written as this one, A minus B, is a set of elements in A that are not in B. Okay, so only the shaded parts are the difference of A and B, no? Ang distinct ra jud nga naa ni A. Ang part nga distinct nga naa ni A. So, except sa ilang intersection o sa part nga naa ni B. Okay, examples. If set A with elements 1, 2, 3 and set B with elements 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6. So then, A minus B is, okay, so A minus B is 3. Why is it nga 3 man? Now look at the elements in A. We have 1, 2, 3, and in B we have 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6. Now what are the elements nga naa ni A nga wa ni B? No? So only 3. So that is why the difference of A minus B is 3. Now atong balihon, we will find the difference between B minus A. So B minus A man, so ato na pong tan-awon si A o si B, and what are those elements nga naa ni B nga wa ni A, so mauna ang ilang difference. So in this one, sabi na pud ta magtan-aw, so y4, y5, and y6. So now the difference between B minus A is 4, 5, and 6. Okay, number 2. If set A with elements A, B, C, D, and E, and set B with elements A, E, I, O, U, now the difference between A minus B is, so sa A na pong tanaw, unsa nga elements ang naa ni A nga wa ni B. So we have B, C, and D, and these are the difference of A minus B. Okay, while B minus A, ato na pong gibaliktad. So what are the elements that are found in B nga wa ni A? So we have I, O, and U. So this is the B minus A. For number 3, if set A contains Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and set B contains Saturday and Sunday, then the difference between B minus A is, A minus B is, so since wa may kapariha, di ba? In set A and in set B, so write all the elements in set A. Mauna ang difference ni A minus B. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So while B minus A, no? Since again, waang pinagkapariha, so just copy the elements in B, and that is B minus A. Okay, so students, I hope that you understand my discussion for today. So this is all about the union, intersection, and difference of two sets. I hope that I am clear. Okay, so see you in the next video. Have a good day.